The earliest organized league for special needs that I know of started in about 1968. Friends of the family had a girl that had Down syndrome, and they initiated a children's bowling league for people with Down syndrome. And it's one of the longest lasting leagues we've had at Bonnie Doon. They call them the Happy Rollers League, and some of those bowlers have been with us probably 30 or 40 years since they were kids.
I've been bowling for 45 years. Out of those 25 years, I've been bowling out of Bonnie Doon. I've been bowling with special limit for 33 years. I won too many medals to count.
When the bowling center first opened, it was an outside mall, so they had to make some alterations within the elevator to make that accessible. And then within the bowling center itself, we had to, because there's 4 stairs to get from the concourse to the bowling area, and so there was some modifications by way of portable ramps and that type of thing, so they can still bowl with their team. We put in gutter guards so they don't get gutter balls, ball ramps, because depending on the severity of their limitations, they might need, a lot more help or a lot less help. Some people are very mobile. And now we have 500 to 600 that we recognize as league bowlers that have special needs. And then we have, and I don't know how many people that use it that we don't keep track of. Lots.
Most of what I like about you is camaraderie and friendship. I feel relieved and we're happy here. And I love the game.